drone's really bad.
All right, so round two.
In a spot she get to
All right, y'all. Sorry, I just woke up, so that's why I look like this and sound like this. But today's the day that she is gonna sound different. I'm very excited. But I'm only gonna be out here for like a few minutes, a few seconds, if that. And I'm going back in the house because I'm tired. But she's here to get you a cold start. She's all dirty. This is just a before. All right, get a cold start. As y'all see, it's nothing, obviously. Car is very dirty. Hopefully we do that too. Get it washed before I go to work. But, yeah. Ain't nothing special with that. But, it's scat pack. Scat pack, scat pack. But yeah, she's gonna sound different in about like a few hours. So I will cut to the end and I'll see y'all when I wake up all the way. Don't piss me off, please, please. The truck is at the truck. Oh my God. The truck. Come on. Do not play the fool with me, niggas. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes! We're good. Yo! Oh! 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 Y'all! Y'all, look at this. Oh, shoot. Oh my God. And then the other one's gonna be the exact same, of course. But yo, that's crazy. What's up with this? So y'all see, they got all these exhaust tips, and this is all they got. This is their whole catalog, I guess. Look at that. Y'all, it's over. Wait till I get here. I'll see y'all in a bit. All right, y'all, we're here, and I didn't see this when I pulled in, but look at that. I think we're good. I don't want to go up on it, but yeah. Now we're just waiting. They just took the keys. Just gonna be out here chilling for a minute. All right, they're taking it. And I actually never, I haven't seen anyone drive it. Like, besides my dad, but like, he's like taking it. What if they don't bring it back? Oh. It looks nice though. All quiet and everything. Oh. Yeah. There this goes. Yeah, this is kind of crazy. I ain't even gonna lie. All right, y'all. They're finishing it up right now. I just paid. That hurt my feelings. Hey. Yeah, they just paid. So should have a car out in just a few minutes, I guess. We'll see. I'm a little nervous, but you know, it is what it is. All right, so it's done. I don't really know. I'm a little nervous. I'm nervous. Y'all, I'm nervous. It's done. So, oh, there they go. What if it sounds bad, bro? I don't even hear it. Yeah, that joint is like mad quiet. Why those supposed to be sounding so loud? They don't even sound right. They don't sound like none of the things I saw. Dang, That joint was kind of lame, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know. I don't like it. Alright, y'all. I mean, I don't even know if I'm gonna post this, to be honest, but I mean, it's alright. It don't sound no different though. Just kind of lame. I just paid to sound the exact same.
The next day.
I'm back. I didn't like it, so we're back. I did some research. People was cutting the rears off. That's what I didn't know. So that's what we're here doing. I think he said it should be done in about an hour and a half or something like that. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. I'm tired. My nose is dirty and all that. Like, but whatever. Yeah, I can't like film it, so I might just walk somewhere, figure life out while he's cutting my mufflers off. Alright, y'all, round 2. I'll see y'all in an hour. Y'all, they did it. They did it. Let's see what we got. Look at that, y'all. It's still here. What, bro? Oh my God! Yo! What? What? No, what? Yo! What? It feels so weird having a car make me do no. Dang, it's loud though. God dang. There we go. I won't lie, it drones really bad, but wow, yo. I'm afraid I might have turned this thing into a VQ. My bad, my fault, my apologies to everybody. My apologies. I'm so sorry that it's a VQ now. What did I just do? Okay. It's so loud, Jesus Christ. I definitely want to put a muffler back on it, but maybe like something like not as boxy or whatever. So straight pipe might be a little too much for me. Maybe not a little, a good amount too much for me. It's loud, but I like how it starts. I like how it revs. Just driving it is very G35. It's very G35, G37, VQ, 350Z, all of that. It's definitely that. Am I upset? No. It's just loud. Like that. That is very loud and not the prettiest sound. So, you know, we got some things to work out. But overall, I'm not upset. I'm not upset. But we got some stuff to work out. It's a little annoying. It definitely is. It don't really feel like the ones I've been seeing. But like, I mean, I don't know. I definitely am. I'm just gonna put another muffler on it. I'm gonna put something aftermarket, but like, you know, that'll quiet it down because Jesus Christ. Goodness gracious. Either that, or maybe I can do another set of these, of the big BOZ bars, whatever it is. If I can do another set of those and then just put them in the rear, because right now it's in the. I got the mids done, but I feel like I could just put it on because it's not quiet at all. It's just loud and it annoying. It's a very annoying sound. So my girlfriend is not gonna like this either. All right, so it's a review. I definitely think I want to put something back on it because it's loud. It's loud. It's nice idling, and it's nice, like the revs are nice, but when you're driving, it's just super loud. I need to see how it sounds in person first. I'll let y'all hear it start up. I like it. I do like it. It's just like the driving is like, oh my god. Like, I don't want to make too much noise. That's what I feel like I'm doing. So I'm not trying to sound annoying, but I'll let y'all hear it. Not even gonna lie, I love it. I love it. I love the revs. I do. That's just the me sound. Like, it smells like weld and filler metal, but I'm gonna let y'all hear it while I go across the parking lot. This is it from the front, I guess. So, definitely need to listen to that before I go home and show my father. Yo, I'm almost scared to take it home. My dad's gonna hate this. All right, y'all. We got to go get my friend's reaction, I guess. It smells like filler metal. Jesus Christ, something like that. But I'm about to be down here in a second. Getting his reaction. Y'all, it's loud. It's drones really bad, but. I mean, that's kind of what I wanted, so. So, no necessarily complaints here. I think I see him. All right, let's do this one. That dude is stupid. Sorry. You hear a difference? I straight fight it. Earlier. Hey.
Are you for real? Is that why you recorded? Yo.
Oh my god, bruh.
What do you put me doing
I don't know, man. I feel very obnoxious. But, you know, I mean, it's how it is, I guess. I don't know. But it's not done completely. We'll figure this out later on. This is a lot. So, I'm about to go get some food, though. So, appreciate y'all for watching. You know, we'll get this worked out and stuff. So, yeah, okay. catch y'all, I don't know, probably next week.